Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to change icons shape on this device. First we should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the X icon changer. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing. Now just tap here to open. And here go to continue to app. Now we just have to select one of the icons what we want to change, and here we got the gallery libraries icon. So also we got make the picture or choose from the gallery regular. Okay, this function you can unlock, I see. Okay, for example, we'll choose this icon from your folders, and now just tap here to OK. Okay, we have to go to the settings. And now just here home to the home screen shortcuts, and always allow, tap here, and now go back to the icon changer. And now, for example, we just select this icon, just here tap to OK. And escape. We're just all waiting, not just skip the ads, and tap one more time OK. And for example, now change next icon, you can choose another one, and right there you can see your new Photos app with another icon. Right here you get the gallery, and here you get the photos. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.